Today, the angels bring a message that could change everything between you and this person who holds a special place in your heart. What is about to be revealed is not just an insignificant detail, but a truth that could completely transform the dynamics between the two of you. You may have felt that there is something in the air, something being kept, unsaid, a silence filled with emotions. And now, this silence is about to be broken. The angels have been closely watching the steps of this person and the decisions they have been making lately. They want you to know that nothing you have experienced with this person has been by chance. Every encounter, every conversation, every exchange of glances, even the words left unspoken, have been part of a much larger plan. A plan that is coming to the point of revelation. This person is in a moment of deep introspection. What began as hesitation, a fear of facing their feelings, is now turning into an urgent need to be true, to be authentic. For a long time, they tried to suppress the emotions growing inside them, attempting to follow the path of logic and reason. But now, the angels reveal that this barrier is crumbling. You may have noticed subtle changes in their behavior, perhaps more closeness, unexpected gestures, or even looks that seem to convey more than any words could express. These signs are reflections of what is happening in their heart. There is an internal battle, a struggle between the desire to stay in control and the need to fully open up. And gradually, this battle is being won by the power of love. The angels ask you to keep your heart open and full of compassion at this delicate moment. This person is on the verge of a major revelation, and what they are about to say could change everything. What once seemed impossible to say is now about to be put into words. The truth they are about to share may surprise you, but at the same time, it will bring a profound relief, as if the walls that separated you two are finally crumbling. This revelation will not come without difficulties. The angels show that this person still carries deep fears that have been nurtured by past experiences, by wounds that have not fully healed. But even with these uncertainties, they feel that the time has come to be honest, to make clear what they feel and what they desire for the future. The role of the angels in this process is crucial. They are guiding this person, dissipating the clouds of doubt and replacing them with courage and clarity. They are preparing the ground for this conversation to happen at the right moment, in a way that allows both of you an even deeper and truer connection. And most importantly, they want you to know that everything is aligning for this revelation to be a decisive step in your journey with this person. You have been through moments of uncertainty, where silence and distance seemed like the only answers. But now, the angels show that this cycle is coming to an end. The truth, which has been kept hidden for so long, is finally ready to be shared. And when that happens, everything you felt, all the intuition you had, will be confirmed. Now that the angels have opened the paths to this revelation, you need to prepare yourself for the emotional impact it will bring. The truth that will be shared has the power to deeply change the way you see this person, and even more so, how they see themselves in relation to you. For a long time, they have lived with an internal conflict, trying to balance what they feel with the fear of admitting how deep this feeling really is. The angels show that this person, no matter how much they have tried to maintain control, can no longer hide what they feel. The love they have for you has grown in silence, nurtured by every gesture of yours, by every word, and by the simple fact of you existing in their life. The presence of such a strong feeling scared them at first, and therefore, they may have distanced themselves, hesitated, or even acted in a contradictory manner. But now, this love is overflowing, and the need to be honest about it is stronger than any fear. This revelation will be a moment of liberation, not only for them but also for you. The angels ask you to remain firm and confident because what is about to be said can bring a whirlwind of emotions. You may have been waiting for this, perhaps even felt that this moment would come, but still, when the words are spoken, they will have a powerful impact. This person has gone through a process of internal transformation. They were guided to reflect on the choices they made and on what really matters. Each day, they realize that no matter how much they try to escape or hide what they feel, the truth always reaches them. The angels have shown them that the only way to move forward is to embrace this truth, without fear of the consequences. You may have noticed moments when that person seemed to want to get closer, but hesitated, as if something was holding them back from taking the next step. This hesitation came from the fear of being vulnerable, of completely opening up and risking getting hurt. But the angels are dispelling that fear, showing them that true love, the kind that transcends barriers of time and space, is worth any risk. When that person opens up to you, you will see that everything they have held back so far was there, waiting to be expressed. The angels show that deep down, they already knew they couldn't go on living with that secret. What is about to be revealed may initially seem overwhelming, but it will be the beginning of a new phase, where both of you will have the opportunity to build something much more solid and true. The angels ask that you be ready to listen with an open heart. No matter how difficult it may be for that person to speak, the simple act of sharing what they feel is already a big step in the right direction. The angels will be by their side, guiding their words, bringing clarity and courage so that everything is spoken in the most sincere and transparent way possible. This is a crucial moment in both of your journeys. The angels show that by revealing this truth, that person will be freeing themselves from the chains that held them back, from the insecurities and fears that prevented them from fully living out what they feel for you. This is a chance for rebirth, not only for them but also for the relationship between you. The revelation that is about to happen may not be easy, and the angels want you to know that it may bring up hidden emotions, both yours and that person's. But what matters is that from this moment on, there will be no more secrets. The truth, no matter how painful it may be at first, will bring an opportunity for healing, reconnection, and growth. With the revelation of the truth, the angels show that you both are stepping into a new chapter of your lives. This moment marks the beginning of a healing process, where the emotional wounds you carry, both the visible and the hidden ones, will start to heal. The person with whom you share this deep connection is now facing a crucial choice: to confront fears and insecurities or to keep trying to escape from something that their heart can no longer ignore. The message from the angels is clear. This person has finally understood that there is no way to escape from what they feel for you. With each attempt to suppress emotions, love has only grown stronger, and the truth has become increasingly impossible to deny. It is at this point that they find themselves now, about to open up more fully than ever before. And although this process is painful and frightening for them, the angels are guiding every step, showing that the path of truth is the only one that can lead them to inner peace. This revelation, although liberating, brings with it the need for both of you to navigate through deep emotional waters. What you will experience from now on will not be simple, but the angels assure that this is the path to a more authentic and transformative love. They ask that you keep your heart steady, as the changes that are to come require patience and understanding. This person will face their own internal demons, and you may notice moments of hesitation or withdrawal as they try to process all the emotions that arise. But the angels show that, despite these difficulties, the desire to get closer to you and fully live this love is stronger than any resistance. What once seemed like an insurmountable barrier is now dissolving, and the angels are clearing the way for this love to flourish in its purest form. What you need to understand, dear, is that this journey of healing and transformation is for both. Just as this person faces their fears, you will also have the opportunity to heal your own wounds. The angels ask you to look inside yourself and see where fear or insecurity have also impacted your actions. This is a moment of mutual reflection, where the transparency of feelings will create the groundwork for an even deeper connection. The angels continue to work behind the scenes, removing the obstacles that once prevented this person from opening up. They are creating conditions for this revelation to happen sincerely, without masks or subterfuge. When they finally express what they feel, you will see that each word will be filled with truth and authenticity. It will not just be a confession, but a commitment to live this love without fear of the future. But the angels also warn, this is a delicate phase, and the healing process does not happen overnight. It will take time for the wounds of the past to fully heal, both for you and for this person. There will be moments of vulnerability, and it is in those moments that the angels ask you to be a solid support, offering your love and understanding. Now more than ever, you need to trust what is to come. The angels are working to bring a transformation that exceeds expectations, something you may not have even imagined possible. The truth has been revealed, and with that, a new beginning is in sight. But for this beginning to be truly meaningful, it is essential that both are willing to face whatever comes with courage and faith. The love you share is special, and the angels want you to know that this kind of connection is rare. It's not every day that two souls meet in such an intense and transformative way. Therefore, they ask you to honor this journey, accepting both the moments of pain and those of joy, knowing that all of this is part of a greater process of spiritual and emotional growth. With the truth finally revealed and emotional barriers being broken down, you are ready to embark on a new path, guided by the angels. This is not just a new chapter in your lives, but a completely transformative journey, where both of you will have the opportunity to experience a love that transcends the ordinary. What once seemed impossible now becomes a reality as this person, with whom you share this deep connection, opens up to a future by your side. The angels show that this revelation marks the beginning of a cycle of renewal. What was once hidden is now in plain sight, and with that comes a clarity that allows you to move forward together, without the shadows of the past. This new path will be full of discoveries, both about each other and yourselves. Every step taken will be guided by the love and wisdom you have cultivated so far. This person, who once seemed torn between reason and heart, is now ready to follow the deepest desires of their soul. The angels reveal that they no longer want to fight against what they feel. Instead, they are ready to embrace this love wholeheartedly, setting aside the fears and insecurities that once held them back. What you will see from now on is a more open person, more willing to build a future by your side, with honesty and trust. The angels also show that this journey will bring moments of profound spiritual growth for both of you. You will learn to deal with emotions in a more mature and spiritual way, knowing that each challenge is an opportunity to strengthen the bond you share even further. Trust, respect, and reciprocity will be the pillars of this new relationship, and the angels will be present in every moment, ensuring that everything unfolds according to the divine plan. In this new path, the angels ask that you pay attention to the signs. They will continue to send messages and synchronicities to guide both of you in the right direction. You may notice small coincidences, words spoken at the right moment, or even dreams that reveal more about this special connection. All of this is part of the way the universe communicates with you, confirming that you are on the right path. The love that is now blooming between you has the power to transform not only your personal lives, but also to impact those around you. The angels show that by fully embracing this relationship with an open heart, you will radiate an energy of love and healing that will be felt by everyone around you. This love is not just for the two of you but for the world as well, as an example that true and authentic love can overcome any barrier. However, the angels ask you to remember that this path, though full of blessings, will require patience and dedication. There will be moments when it will be necessary to reaffirm your commitment to this love, especially when old fears or doubts try to resurface. But they assure you that, with faith and trust, both of you will be able to overcome any obstacles that may arise. This is the moment for both of you to allow yourselves to be vulnerable, to share not only the joys but also the fears and insecurities. The angels say that it is in vulnerability that true love finds its greatest strength. By opening up completely to each other, you will discover a depth of connection that you have never experienced before. Now more than ever, the angels ask you to trust the process. They are aligning every detail, preparing the ground for this love to continue to grow and flourish. The choices you make from now on will be crucial for the future you will build together. With the support of the angels, you will have the clarity and wisdom needed to make the right decisions, guided by the heart and spirit. Finally, the angels want you to know that this is just the beginning of an extraordinary journey. What seemed to be the end is actually the beginning of a new phase, where the love you share will be the driving force for all the achievements and challenges to come. They ask you to celebrate this moment, acknowledging how far you have come and how much there is still to discover together. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wishes the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what choice you make. Type, "I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me," to claim this message and the blessings contained in it for yourself. Leave a positive comment for others who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's lift each other up and create waves of good energy together. If you are not already subscribed to the channel, subscribe now and stay tuned for the important message that awaits you in the next video. May God and the universe light your path with peace, love, and faith. Amen.